In this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok direct messages easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go into the TikTok right here. And now all what you wanna do on this page is go into the notifications, scroll until you find direct messages, click on it and then go to the notifications, turn it off and on again. Now go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop and now go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for TikTok and click on update. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end.